Okay, this is one of the parks by my house, and they have the most amazing trees. Definitely, they're quite ancient. Just look at the roots of these trees. Spectacular trees. Well, the area that I live in is fluvial. It used to be very much jungle. And so when they came in and created the new neighborhood, thankfully they left a lot of the trees, especially these ones. They've made sort of little parks that you can, just sort of sit in and meditate, relax. So they're very, very beautiful. I love them. I'll find some more. I'm just on my way downtown to El Centro, but I've come over here and I just realized I'm standing in front of the hotel Los Tules. So it's actually more of a resort where I worked it'll be 26 years ago this March when I first came to PV to live, and this was my first job as an OPC, outside personal contact in the timeshare industry. I've been here just under a year, and in this mall at Plaza Caracol so many times. I have yet only just found this delightful store, this magical little store. It brings me joy. Full of angels and elves and fairies. Wow. All kinds of incense and essences. I love this little store. So, as I was saying, I wanted to turn the camera around and look more about where I am. Actually, I want to show you this art. I think this is the artist Ocampo. I'm not really sure, so I don't want to get it wrong. But, anyways, this is the Malecon, what I'm talking about. This is where all the buses used to come down. And they've just made this now whole walking road, like a boardwalk kind of thing. Well, Malecon is boardwalk, but where people now can just walk, and it's built up. There's the zoo, though. That was there. We used to potty there at the zoo. But there's so many, many, many new places. Oh my gosh, it's fun, and they've actually added a second Malecon. And I'm actually heading down there right now to meet my new friend Bonnie. But here's just a little view of this very interesting artwork. I can't say I really know how to describe it except for maybe things from the ocean. Out there, this is the Bahia de Banderas, and out there, if they call this the sleeping woman, I don't know if you can see it. You can see her face, her nose. So it's okay. I'm actually videoing. And so here's the beautiful ocean. All right, so actually I was expecting this to be a woman's face on the other side, but it's not. Anyways, this is the other view of this. If I made this into a circle, so for people can come and sit and look at. Interesting art. Vallarta's so unique. Anyways, I'm heading down, and we'll tune in a couple of minutes. Alright, so we're starting to head down to the bottom of the first Malecon. Oh, and here is one of my favorite sand art pieces. Oh my gosh. I didn't show this in my other video, but hello, gorgeous. Isn't that amazing? Hopefully the storm doesn't come and wash them away. Hola. Alright, so we're heading down the Malecon. He's gonna try to catch me for lunch. Oh no, he saw me video. He saw me filming. He's like, no, I don't want to be on video. Senior Frogs, that's been there a long time. Actually, you know what used to be right here? Or was it right here? Because I used to come here all the time. Hang on a second, the post office. It's either this building or that building. Used to be the post office. The one and only post office. I heard that it's moved a little bit further north. I remember, oh my gosh, I'm having a memory. We were standing out here. There used to be a nightclub here too, or another little bar here. And I remember we came out and this man started talking to us, of course, flirting with us. And we learned after about 5 minutes into the conversation, he was the drummer for the band Journey. So that was kind of cool. Yeah, I met a couple people back then. Actually, when I used to work at Los Tules, if you saw my little video there, it wasn't very good because they've kind of put this wall up there now, so you really can't see in as you could before when I used to work there. And my first, well, I have to say it was my first week. I was sent out to work at a location at the marina, the first marina, and wasn't very busy then, you know, but someone came up to me and said, hey, do you want to come in and no, come in. You want to come on over to see this movie being filmed out here. They were just, I think they were just building the golf course then. So, oh, this is cool. Puerto Vallarta. So, yeah, they said, come on over. Do you know the actor Mario Van Peebles? He's shooting a film over here. I said, oh my God, yes. Yes, the famous seahorse and the little boy riding the seahorse. This is the famous statue in Vallarta. So yeah, he took me over to the location. It was actually, it was sundown, so it was pretty dark by the time we walked out there. And so we're standing around watching the movie. I don't even remember what it's called. So sorry. Don't even remember. It's so long ago. And I was just standing there watching. They were doing some scene, like a little, I don't know, around a campfire or something like that. And all of a sudden, I saw someone standing in front of me, turned around, looked right in my eyes, and it was Mario Van Peebles. Locked eyes with that gorgeous man. So, and then I saw him walking on the Malecon one day. Oh, it's raining. I think this is the effects from the lunar eclipse. And it's quite humid, even though it's February 1st today. I'm trying to hear, hey guys, I'm just working with my phone. That's all I got, but you can see the scope of the bay here a little bit. coming up to the famous Los Arcos. Now, I heard that I wasn't living here this time. I actually had come on vacation and had left, and a couple of months later is when they had that storm. So I believe these arches were also damaged. So these may be new or refurbished, redone. All right, we're gonna head down to the second Malecon. We are at actually one of the other oldest statues of dolphins. This is actually used to be my very favorite statue, a water fountain. Very beautiful. Oh, look at the baby. And so this is the beginning of the new Malecon, even though it's been here for a few years. And starts right where the Naval Museum is, which they actually redid this building also, because it didn't look like this 25 years ago. And you know what? I can't even remember what was over here. It was the back of some buildings. But now there's a whole new beautiful Malecon. And at night they've got a lot of vendors out here with some yummy treats, pastries. Oh, I've seen Bonnie over there. Some tile art. Still have lots of vendors, but you know, that's one thing that has changed, is that they don't have as many vendors as they used to have when you would be on the beach. You would have tons of vendors coming up. But you see, the ocean has receded a lot also. A lot. Yeah, the beach used to go out much further, the sand. So it's changed. This is the dancing couple. They've been there for many years also. Okay, Bonnie's over there with all the vendors. All right, I'm going over there to have some lunch. Check in back with you soon.